Predator X conversion on a Ranger Wildtrak is always a massive, massive hit with our customers. They're a beautiful looking truck. They've got absolutely everything you can need with it being a Wildtrak, but this one is very special. It's done just under 17,000 miles. It's VAT qualifying, 24 registration, Ranger Wildtrak. It's a 2 litre diesel. It's then had a Predator X conversion, but it's also had more. So Predator X will give you wide arches, bull bars, pod light. But then as this then had bonnet armour, decals. Wait till we get to the interior as well. And as we go around, you'll see the full style of this truck. It is an absolute head turner. Finished in black, black decals other than the lime green accents that you get across the bonnet stripe into the rear. Full size bull bar. It's an animated LED bar, which you maybe didn't see on the start of the video, but that has an entrance sequence when you start the car. Wide arches, 20-inch wheels, all-terrain tyres. It's also higher, so it's being raised with the suspension. So this is quite possibly the closest thing to a monster truck that you can get. So it's a fantastic looking Ford Ranger, but then it's still incredibly practical. 5 seats, loads of spec from it being a Wildtrak as far as the massive infotainment system, heated wheel, heated seats, cameras. So it's got everything that you would need. This one then has rear canopy, colour coded, tinted rear lights, decals then continue. But have a look at the layout of the rear. So, a standard, you could leave it as it is, and then you can put whatever you need to on. Then you might be thinking, how are you going to reach that? It's all on pull-out tray. So this, for me, would work perfect for someone who is looking for something that is usable. You've obviously got your 2 different lock boxes at the bottom as well, which could have several different uses. It could be tools, it could be that you like to go camping, fishing, shooting, whatever it is. But for me, it will be the perfect vehicle to do it all. So if you're looking for a new business purchase, but then you want something that you are quite happy to drive around in every day of the week, then this is the car. It's also then had an upgraded flat bottom steering wheel, gloss black styling, but then it also has the Wildtrak stitching even on that. It's also had a ClearSight rear view camera installed. So we've had these Predator X's in the past, but I've never seen one with everything like this. Just under 17,000 miles. And because of the way that the kit has been applied, and because of what the car is, it's been incredibly well kept. So it's been treated like a car. It's never seen a build inside its life, this car. Massive tablet display, has navigation, Apple CarPlay, but also has your climate control, your heated seats, your heated wheel. Pop it into reverse, rear view camera, front and rear sensors. You've then got your ClearSight rear view, which has been installed as well. Adaptive cruise, lane keep assist. You've got absolutely everything that you would need from a car, never mind a truck. So it's got all of what I've just mentioned. It then has the style. We've priced it exactly where it needs to be. It's not much else you can say, really. It's just a fantastic Ford Ranger. So if you've been waiting for a commercial vehicle, but you want something that's going to turn heads, but also something that's very usable, that rear, the rear luggage and whatnot display that's been put in there with the drawers and the pull-out, that would have cost a lot of money to get done on top of the kit with the wheels and everything else. It's a very special truck, this. If you are interested, it'll be a while since we get another one like this. So if you do want to give me a call, contact me on my mobile number. Any questions about your car, funding options, part exchanges, anything, contact me direct. My name is Paddy, and I look forward to speaking to you.